Hello all, I'm Dr. M. Kishore Babu, Dean Management, Humanities and Sciences, popularly called non-engineering, which comprise of management programs, science programs, arts programs, law programs, fine arts, architecture, pharmacy, agriculture. Except engineering, we have all the programs. We are very happy that most of students take wonderful journey of academic career. Right from beginning to exit, the students will have a 360 degrees learning, which includes practical learning, experience learning, hands-on jobs, and career orientation, soft skill training, internships, whatnot. Especially the KL Business School students are encouraged to take part in discussions like case studies, simulations, stock market games, operational workouts, reading seminars, etc. As a part of this, the students are given a wonderful career path right from first semester, and the curriculum is blended in such a way that the practical learning, academics and industry trends are well churned and again synthesized so that the students are ready for future jobs. At KL Business School, we offer BBA program, BBA with Analytics, BBA multi-specialization, MBA with multi-specializations, MBA with Analytics and MBA FinTech. And in BCom, we offer BCom ACCA. Earlier, we used to have BCom Computer Applications as well. As a part of arts, we offer Bachelor of Arts with IAS orientation. As a part of law program, we offer BBA LLB 5-year integrated program approved by BCI, Bar Council of India. When it comes to BBA, the students who graduate from 10+2 are especially given orientation in marketing, finance, HR, business analytics, digital marketing, entrepreneurship, logistics and supply chain management. The student has an option to choose one specialization so that they go for careers with identified specializations. When it comes to MBA, MBA students are usually given with the dual specialization plus sectoral specialization. MBA students usually take the functional specializations like marketing, finance, HR, business analytics, entrepreneurship, digital marketing and business analytics. And the student can take 2 out of these bunch of specializations. In addition to that, in order to fulfill their expectations and aspirations in identified sector, a sectoral specialization is given, which includes healthcare, retailing, insurance, export, international trade and IT. Not only that, if any student is interested to do internship abroad, we gladly watch and again we transfer the credits from foreign university or foreign country to here. In addition to that, the students are encouraged to take part in team skills, and social immersive learning is part of their learning. As a part of social immersive learning, students usually spend in various societies and various villages to understand real-time problems, and we also encourage to come with a solution, and the solution shall be taken to the notice of the district authorities or state authorities. This really helps them to take decision making and problem solving skills. They also become the leaders down the line because they are teaming up. The correspondence, planning, organizing, controlling efforts is possible as a leader. In addition to that, the campus life at KL Business School and KL University is something very impressive. The lush green campus will evoke their senses, make them happy while around the campus. And their learning is happy as well as very productive because they go hand in hand with the rest of students. We encourage interdisciplinary and interdepartmental participations so that the students of MBA join hands with the electrical engineering, computer science engineering to evolve and again develop some ideas. And we also encourage students to take part in entrepreneurship. And a good number of students are coming with various commercial ideas, and those ideas are mentored and prototype is developed, and if required, the seed funding is extended by angel investors. We have TBI as well as incubation cell that back up all the students for their aspirations, especially KL Business School and Law College students, to encourage them to visit and witness the proceedings of court. Moot court is very common practice in law students where true cases are discussed and deliberations are made so that their argumentative skills are enhanced. Not only that, all students are encouraged to do skilling. BBA and MBA students generally do SAP certification. When it comes to BCom students, they go for ACCA. ACCA stands for Associated Certified Chartered Accountant, which is well accepted in 198 countries. And by and large, all the students of KL Business School, all the students of Management, Humanities and Sciences are encouraged to become 100% complete students so that their future ready and they are ready to shoulder the responsibilities of corporates and society at large. Thank you.